In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if you have sync issues with your Garmin Connect app. The first thing I would do if you have problems with actually any kind of app is to go to the App Store, or if you are on Android, go to the Play Store. And then you want to search for the Garmin Connect app. And as you can see here, it says open beside my Garmin Connect app, but if it says update, you need to update your app, and that will in some cases resolve your issue if you have syncing problems with your watch. The next thing I would do is to go out from the App Store, and then you want to go into your Garmin Connect app, and then you want to tap more down on the right corner, and then you want to scroll all the way down to Garmin devices. And as you can see here, I have my device inside here, and I want to remove it from the app. So just tap it, and then tap the three dots up in the top right corner, and then you want to tap remove device, and then remove. And from here you want to go inside your settings, and then you want to tap Bluetooth, and from here you want to find your device and tap forget this device. It might be some different on Android, but it is you have to forget the device there as well. And when that is done, you want to restart your phone, and then you want to restart your device, and then you want to go inside the Garmin Connect app again, and you want to tap more, and then you want to go to Garmin devices again, and you want to tap add device. So now you want to follow the steps and set up your Garmin device again. So this is how you fix Garmin Connect app not syncing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.